Have you ever noticed how people react differently when they hear about someone's job? Let's say a person maybe is an engineer or maybe a teacher. So they just simply nod. But the moment they hear that the person is a counseling psychologist, so the energy in the room changes instantly. And that also gives the impression कि हम mental health और counseling को कैसे perceive करते हैं. And here what I am for. I am exactly here to talk about how people perceive the moment they hear that I am a counseling psychologist. So, some of the common reactions that I have encountered are some people just go silent thinking कि मैं शायद उन्हें analyze कर रही हूँ. They may end up asking me out of curiosity, तो आप दिमाग पढ़ते हो, is it? So, this is how people perceive the moment they hear कि कोई counseling psychologist है. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Manika Kadyan, and I am here to talk about some of the myths that are associated with counseling psychologists. Number one myth is counseling psychologists can read mind. No, it is absolutely wrong. A person who is working in the field of mental health, nobody can read up the mind. They can definitely provide a space जहाँ पर वो एक individual के concern को सुनते हैं. They can help in challenging up the thoughts, but कोई भी किसी के दिमाग को नहीं पढ़ सकता. Another most common myth is counseling is only when there are some form of serious problem. People usually think कि जब कोई breaking point आता है ना, that is when counselor को reach out कर लेना चाहिए. But what I usually believe is कि जब भी आपको लगता है ना कि life में बहुत ज़्यादा stress हो गया है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा what exactly I have to go for, मैं क्या करूँ, एक अजीब सी stuckness feel होती है, that is when a counselor can help you. I would also like you to pause here for a while and ask yourself, don't you feel like आपको कभी कभी ऐसा लगता होगा you might be looking for a space कि जहाँ पर कोई आपको बस non judgmentally सुन ले, बस वही counseling है. At the same time, I would also like to offer some of the few examples that can also help you in understanding. A college student who is maybe dealing with some exam pressure may just simply looking for managing up the stress. Let's say a person who is dealing with breakup, उसको कोई advice नहीं चाहिए. The person is just looking for a space to vent out those emotions and gain that self-worth. At the same time, let's say a professional who might be looks all fine, वो मतलब सब अच्छे से deal कर पा रहे हैं, but maybe internally the person may be dealing with burnout, is looking for some healthy boundary and balance. बस यही counseling है. And एट द सेम टाइम आई ऑल्सो बिलीव कि जो भी मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड है ना मेंटल हेल्थ के साथ, इट्स वेरी पर्सनल. मतलब ऑफकोर्स हमारे सबके कुछ ना कुछ बायसेस हो. हमें किसी भी चीज़ पर ओपन अप होना है ना, इट्स ऑल अप टू अस एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी इनकरेज अदर्स ऑल्सो टू मे बी रीच आउट, है ना. सो इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ दैट कॉन्सेप्ट ओनली कि हमें अगर किसी चीज़ के लिए भी ओपन अप होना है तो हम होंगे, और अगर हमें नहीं होना तो ऑफ कोर्स nobody can force us to do so, right? So the next time you hear that a person is a counseling psychologist, so they are not here to analyze you, but they are maybe here to provide a space of healing and growth. I would like to hear your views also, how you have felt whenever you might have heard that a person is a counseling psychologist. Please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to hear your responses. Take care, everyone. Thank you.